Winter camping on the Oregon coast, 60 degrees and sunny. It was perfect. Until I got back to camp on day 2 and found someone had been through my tent and stolen my gear. And honestly, what they took was the weirdest part. This weather is amazing and I have the perfect spot. Let's get camp set up. So this is my 3rd time camping with this tent, and I will say that it takes about a minute to set up. So the fly really is the hardest part about this tent, and it's mainly because I'm short. Okay, there we go. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Tori, and I'm on a mission this year to go from campgrounds to my very first solo wild camp here in the Pacific Northwest. Okay, I know I've mentioned this before on my channel, but if you're new, and if you're solo camping and you're a little afraid of being by yourself, if you just bring an extra chair, nobody will know that you're by yourself. When I first got this cot, it was kind of difficult to put together in terms of snapping it shut like this. It takes a little muscle and you can get it done. So this tent door zips up on the sides and the bottom is just open. It's got Velcro on the sides too. I wasn't that excited about this design at first, but I kind of like it now. Having a water dispenser with this jug has been so nice. Okay, I'm gonna start prepping dinner while that fire gets nice and hot so we can have some coals to make our foil pack. I've got some carrots and some onion that I chopped from at home, some butter, and some half-frozen ground beef. And after it's done cooking, I'm gonna put a dip, but it's gonna be a sauce at that point. It's gonna be a burnt ends dip that I got for football. I think it's gonna be really good with this meal. So let me go ahead and get things started. Dice up these potatoes. Okay, so I've got double layer of foil, butter on there. We've got foil pack kind of close to the flames, but on the coals. Okay, it's been on for 20 minutes. Just gonna do a quick check to see. Can you hear that sizzling? Kind of exciting. Just gonna look. It looks pretty good. I'm thinking that's done. I'm surprised. I'm gonna put some of this burnt ends dip on there and then put it back on the fire. I hope you can see that. It's got burnt ends, and then I think it's like a cream cheese base, and it's got a little heat to it. Okay. You see that? Looks really good. This dip that I used for the flavoring is so good. It's cooked perfectly. So good. It only was 10 minutes on each side. This. It's about 9:30 and it's about 37 degrees and my fingertips are freezing. So we're gonna make some coffee so we can warm up. Good morning. So last night before I went to bed, I put my camping chair in my car, knowing that it would just be completely drenched this morning. Even though it didn't rain, it's just there's so much moisture in the air. Anyways, it's just so nice to be able to sit on a clean, warm camp chair with a hot cup of coffee, enjoying the outdoors. Even though it's cold, I'm warm. That's what's for breakfast. Famous hot sauce hack. Take your extra packets from Taco Bell or Taco Time. Take them camping with you. So I wasn't paying attention as I was setting up my cameras and these two blue jays came in. They may have eaten some of my breakfast. I don't know. They're over here in the tree stalking me. You know, it's interesting. The more I come out and do my solo camping trips, the more I feel pulled to spend time outdoors, like naturally. If you've been with the channel any length of time, you know I'm not really outdoorsy, but I think things are changing. I mean, how can they not when you're surrounded by beauty like this? So I'm super bummed. I came back to camp after being gone for a couple hours and someone stole the toilet out of my tent, pee and all. And they also stole my water jug, so I keep everything else in my car, so everything that is valuable is still here. So, bummer. After the initial shock wore off, I decided I needed to reframe the situation. I figured whoever stole my gear probably needed it more than I did. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little freaked out when it got dark, but the tent illuminating my camp brought me a little comfort. Thank you so much for joining me on this winter camp trip at the Oregon coast. Even though I got my gear stolen, I still had an awesome time. There's always a silver lining, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what I found to replace my water jug. It's even more amazing than the original. Until then, go chase your own wild.